When comfort stops working, humans search for something stronger, relief. And relief has one job, making the feeling stop right now. It doesn't ask what needs to change, it doesn't care about growth. It just asks, how do I make this stop? But here's the part most people miss. This didn't start with smartphones or junk food or Netflix. It started in a garden. In Genesis, there's a moment that explains almost everything about human behavior. A woman stands in front of a tree, the fruit looks good, it's pleasing to the eye, promises wisdom, and a voice asks a question that rewires human nature forever. Did God really say? Because here's what's happening in the moment. One side is now, visible, immediate, tangible. On the other side is later, distant, abstract, future consequence. And the serpent does something brilliant. He doesn't offer rebellion, he offers relief from future concern. You won't really die. And just like that, the future cost disappears. All that's left is the present benefit, and humanity takes the hit. That moment didn't just break a rule, it installed a pattern. Discomfort shows up, relief is offered, consequences feel far away. Choose relief. That's it. That's the template. And it's been running in humans ever since. Here's how it works now. Pressure builds, reality demands something from you, and relief steps in wearing a mask. The mask works. It lowers the volume, quiets the urgency, calms your nervous system. Your body says, okay, we're safe. But here's the problem. Relief doesn't remove the pressure, it removes your awareness of it. And the language sounds harmless. I just need to calm down. I'll deal with it later. I deserve this just one night. So you grab whatever works fastest. Food, alcohol, sexualized pictures or video, scrolling, pills, noise, different tools, same function. The feeling passes and your brain logs it as success. Relief feels addictive not because the substance, but because it trains your nervous system to escape instead of adapt. Here's the cycle. Discomfort shows up, relief makes it stop. Next time discomfort hits, your brain demands relief faster. But because nothing changed, the pressure comes back louder, more urgency, less tolerance, more need for relief. And every time you escape instead of face it, you teach yourself, this feeling is too dangerous for me to handle. Relief doesn't solve fear, it trains you to be more afraid. And industry knows this. They didn't invent it, they exploited it. Algorithms that deliver instant distraction, apps designed to regulate mood on demand, products that promise comfort, escape, and sedation. The modern economy runs on one thing, selling relief, not building agency, because agency is dangerous. A capable person asks questions and question system. A capable person resists manipulation. A capable person doesn't settle. But a relieved person just wants the feeling to stop, and that makes them easy. Relief isn't evil. Masks have a purpose, but masks are for emergencies, not for living. Comfort is for recovery, and pressure is for growth. When relief becomes your strategy, fear doesn't get weaker, it gets stronger. And one day you wake up and realize life didn't get harder, you got weaker. Not because you're broken, but because you've been trained to escape the very thing that makes humans strong. And here's what comes next. Once relief teaches you how to escape discomfort, another part of human nature locks in. Loss avoidance. You stop asking, how do I grow? And start asking, what might I lose? And once fear is tied to loss, people stop building. They start protecting. And that's where growth really dies.